I'm going on a little bit of maybe just like a 10-15 minute walk after the gym because I've noticed that when I like rewarm my muscles up and like stay active throughout the day after the gym, then I'm less sore the next day. If I just come home exhausted and I take a nap or sit around and watch something with my kids or something, then I feel like the next day I'm like dying. So even though my muscles are really sore, I am still taking myself for a little bit of a walk, trying to re-warm my muscles, staying active today. I gotta run errands, so I'm probably gonna be walking all day anyways, but I don't know, it's like a little bit of like the misty rain after the gym just like feels so good. So taking advantage of it.